Alright, welcome to this comparison video. We've got 3 different configurations we're working on my 2019 Street Scrambler. The first configuration is completely straight pipes. It's the British Customs header with the British Customs slip-ons. The second configuration is the British Customs header with the OEM slip-ons. And then the third configuration is the British Customs slip-on, the shotgun slip-ons, and then the OEM header, which includes the catalytic converter. So, here we go. So I'll be perfectly honest, I didn't get video of the second configuration. With the headers and the OEM slip-ons, it just sounded terrible. It was kind of clicky and weird, and I took it off as quickly as I could. I decided to stay with configuration number 3. With the OEM Triumph header and the catalytic converter and the British Customs slip-ons, it just sounds really nice. It's still pretty throaty and it's kind of loud, but it's not nearly as loud as the straight pipes. It was just too much. So here we go. I got my config. Thanks for following along.